Here in Powered One, we have a unique combination of high automation manufacturing and some of the best people in the area.
So the process from start to finish obviously starts in the module enclosure.
While the module area is highly automated, it takes a team with a skill set that is really focused on the detail of what they're doing.
We ingest raw materials like cells, cassettes, spanners, foils, etc., and we build modules. We then are going to take those modules, we're going to put the modules into our module supermarket, and then ultimately pull modules out of that module supermarket and take them to the pack line where we're assembling packs.
As I come out to the pack area, it's more of a mechanical type mindset because you're manually assembling the battery packs. So there is a difference in the skill set there, both equally as important to making a good functional pack.
The packs are then assembled by the production team. We have a quality inspection point, then we put those packs into finished goods. Once they're in finished goods and signed off by ops and quality, then we put that in the hands of our shipping and receiving team to get those to our customers.
Efficiency is number one for our team to make sure that we are able to get material to the line without stopping production.
At the end of the day, it's really about the people that we have, that we've empowered here to run the many factories, to support each other.
Quality being the key cornerstone of that for the people in this building wanting to be able to serve our customers and making sure we have a high quality product going out the door the first time, every time.
It's great to be part of a team that's always pushing the boundaries and testing out new technology and making sure we're at the forefront of technology innovation. That's what makes me excited to be here at Proterra.
Because of what Proterra is here to do and what our mission is, I think we have a lot of really smart, really fun, energetic people that are here all for the same mission.
Whether you're in the marketing function, whether you're in the engineering function, or whether you're in the production function, that purpose is at the center of everything our people do, and our products enable us to power that shift, especially in the commercial vehicle sector.
We are building an innovative product to change the world for tomorrow.